So, who are you, what's your role, and where do you work?
I'm Aviram Hassan. I'm CEO and co-founder at Metalbear.
What do you want to share today?
I want to share that we released general availability for queue splitting at MirrorD. So now you can split your queues and Kafka topics using MirrorD operator.
And what problems does this queue splitting in Metalbear solve?
So basically the idea behind MirrorD is to enable developers to work and have a multi-tenant dev environment. And the queue splitting allows the new capability of working with consumers, which was a capability that wasn't available before, and we are the only provider to have this.
Could you share the before and after this announcement?
Yeah, so in general, before you use MirrorD, you weren't able really to share an environment. So basically, you would either spin a local environment for the engineers or use a personal environment in the cloud. And the idea with MirrorD is to be able to have one environment that all the engineers can work against together, collaboratively, and the queue splitting enables another level of collaboration for that use case.
Is this queue splitting, is it open source and part of the CNCF landscape?
So MirrorD itself is open source, open core model, and the open source is more aligned with single developers, individuals that want to work against the remote cluster, where the paid version is more for the enterprises who want to have a control plane that allows them to manage the use of MirrorD and basically unlock the use case of a shared environment, which the shared environment use case includes the queue splitting.
What's Metalbear's business model?
So it's open core. We sell licenses to the MirrorD operator. It's seat-based, very easy to get with, and that's the only pricing we have. No additional cost beyond the seats.
Who are your main competitors?
So the main one would be telepresence, where telepresence is more about like having a VPN, and MirrorD goes on a deeper level of like being able to load into a specific process. So then you're able to run multiple processes, each one with different context, and we believe that provides even better developer experience because you don't have to go and VPN your machine or use containers to containerize that networking.
What differentiates MirrorD in this queue splitting as well as Metalbear from the competitors?
So nobody has queue splitting, so that's the main differentiator. So we are the, I would say, the fullest stack that allows this kind of collaboration. And we see organizations that start using it they're not moving from anything else. They're just embracing a new use case that they couldn't do before, and thanks to MirrorD they can do now.
What's next for you?
Going to the beach, but not in London. Besides that, so the idea is to add more features that allow collaboration and really managing the experience of MirrorD within the organization. So MirrorD Actions allowing you to run automations before and after session, and basically more features that allow to share the environment. So more types of queues that we would support. But yeah, that's the gist.